At Malco Automotive, we specialize in products designed to professionally detail the exterior of your car. But if you only have 15 to 20 minutes to get the vehicle looking like new, there's a few products you'll want to have handy. We recommend making sure the vehicle surface is cool and that you work in a shaded environment. In this video, we'll walk you through cleaning the tires and wheels, degreasing the engine bay, removing stuck-on road grime and bugs, washing the vehicle, dressing the tires and cleaning the windows. To get started, what's an exterior detail without spiffing up the tires and wheels? Dirt and brake dust can bake on, making the tires and wheels tough to clean. We're recommending Fast Shot Non-Acid Wheel Cleaner because it's a fast-working, extremely powerful cleaner that clings to wheels, making them look bright again. Plus, it's ready to use, so you don't have to worry about diluting. Spray directly onto wheels and tires and let the solution work for up to 2 minutes. Then, rinse away brake dust and dirt. It's best to do one wheel at a time. When detailing a vehicle, it's always nice to degrease the engine bay, and that's where Red Thunder biodegradable degreaser can help. Malco's most versatile and safest to use heavy-duty cleaner can remove the heavy soils that build up inside the engine when diluted 1:1. Coat the engine bay with Red Thunder and let it soak thoroughly. Then, hose it down and watch the grease sheet off. Once clean, spray Aquabead Advanced Silicone Suspension Dressing throughout the engine bay to give everything a nice gloss. We recommend diluting 1:1. And Aquabead is great because it can be applied directly to a wet surface and will self-level. With a quick detail, you'll want to start by cleaning the surface of the vehicle, removing contaminants such as road soils, asphalt, and anything else that gets stuck on the vehicle. We recommend Target, tar, wax, and grease remover. Apply Target with an ultra-soft, edgeless microfiber, rubbing the surface until it's clean. You might have to soak harder spots until they soften. Peeling off squashed bugs from windshields, hoods, bumpers, and grills can take time and a lot of elbow grease. That's why we recommend Bug Off High Impact Insect Remover. Simply spray the area to be treated with Bug Off. Let dwell for 1 to 2 minutes without it completely drying. Wipe bugs off with a sponge and then rinse surface. If any debris remains after rinsing, repeat as necessary. Now you're ready to wash the vehicle. Because time is limited, we'll go with Ultraviolet Premium Wash and Wax. Advanced cleaning agents and waxes work together to remove the toughest soils and leave a rich, lustrous shine. Ultraviolet makes water bead up for a fresh wax look. Just dilute 1 to 20 and then scrub with a sponge or a wash mitt. It's that easy. When you're finished washing, simply rinse. Now that the vehicle is completely clean, make sure it's rinsed and remove excess water with a water blade before wiping it down with a clean, ultra-soft, edgeless microfiber. Just 2 quick steps remain. You'll want to go back and dress those tires with Aquabead. Just apply evenly with an applicator directly to the tire. This versatile dressing is dilutable for various levels of gloss. We don't like the tires to be too glossy, so we're using a 1 to 3 dilution. But for a glossier look, you can go with a 1:1. Finally, the windows. They've got to be clean and streak-free or your work isn't complete. Malco's ammonia-free foaming glass cleaner works on all glass surfaces, including aftermarket tinted windows. And there you have it, a completely detailed exterior using just 7 products in less than 20 minutes. At Malco, we know you can be pressed for time when detailing cars. That's why our products work quickly and effectively, making us the choice of the pros.